What is planned maintenance? Planned maintenance refers to any maintenance activity that is planned, documented, and scheduled. The aim of planned maintenance is to reduce downtime by having all necessary resources on hand, such as labor and parts, and a strategy to use these resources. There are two main types of planned maintenance. The first is planned preventive maintenance, which is scheduled maintenance aimed at repairing assets before they fail. An example would be conducting maintenance on a forklift after every 150 hours of operation. The second is planned and unscheduled maintenance, which is based on having a strategy in place to repair or replace an asset as quickly as possible when it fails. An example would be planning to have a sufficient number of easily accessible power drills on hand so replacing a broken one is quick and easy for a technician.